Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore cold calling scripts using CallRail, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring cold calling scripts using CallRail, first, log into your CallRail account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Reports section in the main menu. In the Reports section, locate the Calls option to view your call data. Click on the Calls option to access detailed information about your call history. Next, filter your calls by date range to locate the specific calls associated with your cold calling campaigns. Once the calls are filtered, identify the ones that need script restoration. Select a call to open its detailed view. In the detailed view, look for the transcriptions section if your account has call recording enabled. Listen to the call recording to gather context for your cold calling script. Take notes on key points and important phrases used during the conversation. Now, move to your script document or template. Begin drafting or revising the script based on the notes you've taken from the call. Ensure the script aligns with your overall sales goals and messaging. After drafting the script, review it for clarity and effectiveness. Consider adding seasonal promotions or product updates relevant to the cold call. Once satisfied, save the updated script in a designated folder for easy access. Finally, run a test call using the new script to ensure it flows naturally. Make any final adjustments to enhance your cold calling effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.